Today, I'm making gifts for my friend's entire family. Time to put my Glowforge to work. Let's drag and drop a quick design into the Glowforge app on my iPad, press the button, and we're in business. I'm starting with a beautiful piece of cherry. Now I do this for a living, and seeing the laser in action still feels like magic. Look how smooth and precise that cut is. I'm not just using wood either. I've applied my same design to different vibrant pieces of colored acrylic. I can repeat the print over and over with different materials, and my Glowforge doesn't miss a beat. The Garcia family is big, so being able to repeat prints is a lifesaver today. After just a few minutes, I can remove the finished pieces and it's time to assemble. See those faint lines? Those are score lines. They're not cuts, and they help me line everything up. Now it's just a matter of mixing and matching my pieces. I didn't go into this with a plan, but because of how precisely everything matches, I have the freedom to figure it out on the fly. That should be enough for everyone in the family. I don't think I left anyone out, but I can always make more with my Glowforge. Let me know if you enjoyed this video by giving it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos like this from me, Ellen, and the team at Glowforge, hit subscribe and check the notification bell.